YouTube, this is LogicalWonderz or LWG Games YouTube channel, where I cover gaming, automotive, media, electronics, technology, sports, and outdoors. On my channel, today I'm covering if you're stuck with Windows 10, you could get an extra year of extended security updates through October 13th, 2026. What you do is you go to your settings, click on Windows Update, and then enroll in the extended security updates through October 13th, 2026. Because if not, your computer will not update past October 2025 if you're still on Windows 10. So, I already did it, but I'm gonna go to my start menu, look for my settings. Depending where you have your settings at, you can go here as well. And settings, it'll be around here. Check for updates. Then you just enroll. You have the option showing. And there you go. You'll get an extra year of security updates for Windows 10 until you're ready to move on to Windows 11 or whatever the Windows is next year. Thank you for tuning in. Wishing you all a wonderful, healthy, wealthy, prosperous, safe, and blessed day and weekend. Thank you for your time and your support. Peace and one love.